Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a house. This does stand up on its own, and it is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Next I'm going to make a small pinch mark in the center of each of these edges. So to do that, I'm going to bring this top edge down to the bottom edge here. Then, once those two edges line up all the way across, I'm going to hold it in place, and then on the right side I'll just make a small pinch mark like that. And then, still holding it in place, we'll come to the other side and make a small pinch mark there. And then unfold. And you can see there's just a small mark right on each of the edges. Now we need to bring this bottom edge up to those pinch marks. So fold it up, and then the left corner should lie along the pinch mark on the left, and the right corner should line up with the pinch mark on the right. Once those line up, you can crease all the way across. Next, we're going to turn the whole model over right to left. Then we're going to bring this top edge down to both of those pinch marks. So same as before, we'll fold that down, make sure the corners line up with the pinch marks. And then once they do, you can crease it all the way across. Next, I'm going to bring this right edge in to lie along this raw edge here. That'll be making a valley fold that extends this way, bisecting this angle. So I'm going to bring that down. And now that edge should lie along the edge beneath it, and then you can crease it. Just like that. Then we can unfold that. Next we'll do the same thing on the left side. So we'll bring this edge down to lie along this crease. And then crease that down. And you can unfold that one as well. Next we're going to turn both of those into inside reverse folds. So I'll start on the right here. How this is going to work is the crease on the top layer is going to reverse into a mountain fold, and the crease on the layer underneath will remain a valley fold. So we're going to open this up slightly and then bring this point down through the inside. And this crease we made on the bottom layer should form now. And then this crease should reverse itself. Then we'll turn that into a mountain fold. And then we'll lay it down and crease it firmly. Now we'll do the same thing on the left side here. Swing that inside and reform all the creases, and then press it all down. Next, we'll turn the model over right to left. Now we're going to make a valley fold that extends vertically from this point right here, going downwards. So to do that, we're just going to swing this flap over. And you'll notice this is going to start forming a triangle here. That's where we're going to want to make our crease mark. So swing that over. It should be pretty easy. It should kind of fold itself as you're swinging it over. But you'll notice this edge will continue running along this edge. And then just crease that down. So the same thing on the left side here. We just swing that flap over. And crease it. Now just turn the model over and we have a house. Now to make it stand up, these flaps will just need to poke out slightly and it should stand up just fine. Now we're all done. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for all my future tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.